One is coming in straight from West Bengal. DGBSF will be visiting Petropol border today to oversee ground situation there. Petropol, which is in India, and Benapol, which lies in Bangladesh, is an important land border crossing for India and Bangladesh, both in terms of the trade as well as passenger movement. This now is the largest land port in Southeast Asia. Nearly 30% of land is based trade between India and Bangladesh that takes place through land port Petropol. In fact, CNN News 18's editor East Kamalika Sen Gupta is at that location. She is currently at Indo-Bangladesh border. Kamalika, very good morning to you. What's the latest and most crucial input that you have received straight from your sources? Please walk us through that.
See, first would like to show this is the Petropol border. 30% of the India-Bangladesh trade takes place through this route, and Southeast Asia is one of the largest land port of Southeast Asia. What we are getting is very strong vigil is there, but you can see one truck is coming. Two trucks have come from the morning. The exports have totally been stopped. There's been strong checking going on. DGBSF is expected around 11 o'clock. The drivers, a lot of drivers have left their car on that side and come this side. This is the first movement which we can showcase exclusively. First movement of trucks coming from that side to this side. The truck drivers, most of them are saying, अच्छा ये बताइए कि उस टाइम में क्या सिचुएशन है वहाँ पे क्या सिचुएशन था?
वहाँ हम लोग को कोई दिक्कत नहीं हुआ है।
हाँ?
दिक्कत नहीं हुआ। हम लोग
क्या दिखा क्या है? कल क्या हुआ था?
कल हम लोग वो चीज दिखा नहीं, हम लोग तो पार्किंग में था।
पार्किंग में था। अभी आने के लिए कोई दिक्कत हुआ?
Actually in the parking, they were actually in the parking. That's what they say. We have spoken to a couple of truck drivers who have left their car that side and fled this side, truck there and fled this side. But this is the new set of trucks that are coming in. They are with the drivers. Most of the drivers, they have fled from that side. They are saying that some of the party offices out there has been burned down of Awami League. That's the local drivers are saying. And also as we stand here, we can at times we can hear the sound of firecrackers that side. You can see strong vigil of the BSF in the Indo-Bangladesh border. Total checking is taking place. We know the Union Home Secretary Ajay Bhalla has held in very important meeting with DG Bengal, DG Tripura, Assam, and the BSF DG himself is in Eastern Command. You can see how the BSF is keeping strong vigil and they are checking each and everything. The exports have stopped, but the trucks which is stranded there, they have come in. So very strong vigil by the BSF, very strong vigil. They're checking each and everything and then they are coming. The DGBSF is expected to come around 11 o'clock today, and the situation in Bangladesh on the other side is not right. That's what the truck drivers who have come from that side tells News 18, that they were stranded yesterday, and 5 p.m. when the gate opened out here, they came this side. But let me tell you, the central government, the state government, all together keeping a very strong vigil. West Bengal has more than 2,200 kilometers. Of that side is Bangladesh. You can see the gate has opened, and because of the truck movement, that side, some 500 meters away from where we are standing, is Bangladesh. That side is Bangladesh, and this is India. And very importantly, West Bengal shares 2,200 kilometers of the border. That's very essential. And we know that Meghalaya night curfew has been imposed. We know in Tripura also 585 kilometers of long stretch of border is there. So all strict vigil has been kept, but definitely people who are coming from the other side, they are saying that things are not right that side.
Definitely. So Bangladesh continues to remain on the boil at this point of time. Kamalika, please stay on with us. We are moving to another piece of